welcome to another hiking video. I am at Christa McAuliffe, and again, I don't know how to pronounce it. I do have the idea of going online and watching a video to see how they pronounce her name. Once again, I think she is the woman who died, a teacher who died on the space shuttle so many years ago. I will be doing a ministry video. This is not a ministry video, this is just a hiking video. This is my first time hiking here in summer. I think I found this at the end of last summer or beginning of fall. Of course, I've been here a couple of times during winter and spring, early spring. I might be doing something different. Might be doing the whole loop today. I think I did about 2/3 of it and it got too loud and I turned around. And I don't care about the loudness in a hiking video, but I would like to see the whole place. So that's my plan. I plan on doing my ministry video over here on this end where I think it's the quietest and also so far the most beautiful. Do a spin here. Some people pulled in right behind me, but they got young kids. I'm sure they're not going to catch up unless I do a lot of this. Oh, hiking at Peninsula State Park was amazing. I'll have probably 3 hiking videos, if not more. 1 ministry video. It was just amazing. And I got there like at 4:30, something like that. So hopefully you've seen some of those. By the time you see this, those should all be up. I already have, I think, 1 of them up. 1 of them ready, queued up and ready to go. Just don't want to overwhelm my YouTube channel. Matter of fact, this morning I uploaded, it's uploading now, part 2 of my hike at, see if I can remember the name of it, Cherney, Maribel County Park, I think. And I went that day just to clear my head, and I thought I'd go ahead and record it. And same problem I had at Door County at the Peninsula State Park. If I record late, the quality of my video is not very good because GoPros do not do good in low light. So I'm trying to find the best settings for that kind of thing, and when it gets low light, GoPros lose their stability. So when I'm hiking and I'm bouncing around, you see very little of that, and you lose that effect that the GoPro can give to get rid of that. It's called stabilization when you get in low light situations. It happens often enough. I am considering getting a different camera, but it doesn't happen a lot. So I just have to be more aware of that. But if I'm going to go on a hike and it's late, I enjoy it, but the video will not be as best quality. That's a nice way to go in, but it does lengthen it, and I'm already going to do a pretty long video today, so I'm going to not go that way today. Oops. Lots of maples here, young ones. Hear my drink clanking around because I got that new metal water holder. Pulled in at 78. It's probably about 9. Pulled in around 9:30, so now it's probably 9:39 by the time I got going. Spray myself, get all my gear. And I think I'm going to stop here and grab a drink. Find a better spot. Alright, lean up against a tree here. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Nice and green forest. We're in that area that would turn yellow once fall comes. I always point out this area every time. I like walking this little way here to see this little gully. Yeah, there's some water in there. Not much, but some. Once in a while, I forget where I got to go. I think I need to turn here. If I wanted to stay in what I call the yellow forest, it'd be that way. Just not yellow now. It will be in the fall. But this part of the area I call the yellow forest. That was an amazing video, amazing hike. Best hike of my life. Look for it on my playlist, on my channel. Alright, we're in the right spot. This is my shortcut sign. I don't remember that. Ooh, it's warm. Hoping to be cooler down below. Looked like my lens was a little dusty. I did wipe it off, but the cap had dust on it, I think. I thought there was a spot back here that went down to the river. Maybe it's a little further up. Quite a big mushroom down there. Yeah, one of these days I'll have to Google that name, watch a video, an interview of that woman, so I know how to pronounce that name. Alright, this is the little trail to the river I was thinking of. We'll go down here before we continue on. Wow, Bear Creek is almost dry. That happens in summer. Wow. Really, really low. Let's keep going. Oh, this is new. Oh, I think I've seen a place on Facebook, a post on Facebook about this. It is a very beautiful spot. Wow. Yeah, I saw this spot last fall when it was less green. That's definitely an amazing spot for me to do a ministry video, sitting video. I'm not doing one today. And just look how beautiful that spot is. Wow. I think I did record that scene. Was it in the middle of winter? I think it did. A lot of winter scenes next to the river, and I think I did one there, which was not, you know, a river shot. Lots of ferns. Oh, yep, they got another one up. So up there ends the yellow forest when it's yellow. Let's just do a spin. Let's just do a spin. While we were gawking at that beautiful scene back there, a couple walked right behind me. There was like 6 cars in the parking lot. Just lovely scenes here. Love it. So normally I would hike down this way till I get to that private property down there, but we're going to go all the way around, hopefully. So we're going to go this way today. One of those winter scenes last winter I did there. So yeah, we're going to cross here. That's how I'm going to cross. So there was an area that I forgot how to get to, which I actually thought was down there, that you get down to the road, but no, that doesn't take you to the road. This does. So I rewatched some of my own videos and realized I went down here to find that. So at the end of this trail, close to the road, is where I'm going to start my ministry video, but we'll hike down to it. And then I'm going to walk back with my ministry video. When I do, I'm going to head this way. And I don't know where my ministry video will end, if I make it this far. But that's the way I'm going to go. Once I'm done with my ministry video, I'm going to hike and do the big, huge loop. That's my plan. So So I've only been down here once or twice. Uh-oh, somebody lost something. Children's lunch bag? Now it's time for a drink. It is warm. It's a bit humid today, so I'm feeling it. If I remember correctly, it gets quite wet down here, but I'm not concerned with my waterproof boots. On this side, we have the hill. Oop, the squirrel just came down that tree there. Got a hill on that side. Yeah, we're going to hear some traffic as we get closer to the road. Shouldn't be too bad. Mosquitoes are flocking me. There goes some kind of animal. Don't know if it was a squirrel or what. You may have seen it. May have been that same squirrel. Yep, quite muddy. All right. It's warm. All right, water break. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's just do a spin. It's really warm. Ooh. I'm gonna be super hot after my ministry video. That's fine. We'll just plug around this thing and get her done. It's a nice long stretch in here. I'll probably have my ministry video before I get to that intersection we turned on. We'll see. It's smell the vegetation here. Yeah, you can definitely hear traffic. Quite the washout there. Whoa, some kind of hawk there. Being chased by small birds too. Probably barely saw it. Yeah, we'll start down here and then walk away from the traffic noise. I might start here, but we're going to walk all the way down. Yeah, you can see the bridge right there. I'm sure you can see that bridge. I never walked all the way up there. It was too thick. We'll just walk down there, but we're going to come back and start over here. So I never walked up to the road, but I did walk a little bit in here, but not even very far in here before, because it was really thick. So yeah, there's the bridge. Alright folks, I'm going to start my ministry video. So once again, more than likely we'll have some more hiking afterwards. If not, in the corners of the screen are going to be my bookmarks, playlists. Click on one of those playlists, open it up and bookmark it. That way you can find my hiking videos if you don't want to subscribe to my channel. But more than likely, once again, this video will continue. It'll be just a moment for you, but it will be about 30 minutes for me. Yeah, this will be where I start. Alright folks, let's just do a spin right here. And we will be back. Alright, see you in a bit folks.